myself using only Joah Beauty products. So Joah Beauty was nice enough to send me this wonderful PR box. Not only is it affordable, you can find it at CVS, which is literally everywhere in the United States, but it's also inspired by my personal favorite, inspired by K-beauty. I am from India, and a lot of our products aren't really at par with a lot of what happens in the rest of Asia, so I've always been infatuated with like Korean beauty, and I love their products, and I love how much effort they put into their products. And Joah Beauty is completely inspired by K-beauty, and I think that works perfectly. And I mean, I'm feeling pretty K-poppin' myself. But today I will be finally using all of their products and only their products. And despite that they did sponsor this video, I am going to try to be very, very honest with you guys. And I do have eczema, so I'm going to check out and see if these products are eczema skin approved. First off, I have to say I really like the packaging. The colors are super cute, and it's so fresh and so new that I haven't even taken off the plastic wrap. I've actually never seen a primer that looks this creamy, so I'm excited to see how it works. And no, I'm not putting this on correctly because I'm not one of those people who goes dab, 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 dab. Just doing this video this whole time. If you hear giggling, it's not me, it's him. Okay, I will be using this beauty blender, and they actually sent me this shade of BB cream. It's called Truly Yours BB Cream, and it is in the color light/medium. So whoever sent me this PR package, you actually did a pretty good job at guessing my skin color. Based off of the BB cream that they sent. It's a little too light, but that's okay. I'm actually more of like a olivey medium tone. But you know, truthfully, in most companies anyway, BB cream isn't usually that specific anyway. I actually like this. It's not that drying. I've been using Huda Beauty all this time, and Huda Beauty like dries in 2 seconds. So I actually like the drugstore brand more in this situation. Next, I will be using this here, Truly Yours Dark Circle Concealer, and it's in the color Natural Ivory. So this might be a little bit of an issue, just because I am definitely not that light. Ooh, it's coming. Okay, cool. Okay, it's not as light as I thought. So I don't actually have dark circles, but I have a lot of acne and eczema spots. So I am just gonna target those using the concealer instead. Let's find out if it blends well. Oh, I put on way too much, guys. I ended up having a pro tip for you guys. Don't put on too much of this concealer. I actually really like that it ended up giving that much coverage with the very small amount that I put on myself. I didn't even put the whole amount. As you can see, there's still a whole bunch on the tip right there. Well, a dot does a lot, I guess. So they also ended up sending me this cushion foundation. So it comes with this right here. Ooh, this is a lot of that. Ooh. I've never used something like this, so I'm excited. I had no idea that this is what they were like referring to, but let me give it a try, I guess. So I've officially put their BB cream, and now I'm putting on their foundation as well. So it's strange because it looks a little bit dark here, but considering I messed up so badly with the concealer, I think this might do a great job at, you know, fixing that. So far, I have to say all of their foundation and concealer products are actually very creamy, and they do not dry. It has still not dried yet, so if I were to like swipe around, it would come off, which is fun because that means you can actually maneuver it a little bit more when you're trying to contour and highlight. Now I will be using the Selfie Ready setting powder, and this is in the color Banana. Okay, cool. I am very interested in banana powder. I don't know if this is the same thing, but it sure looks like it is. So I am excited. I'm automatically excited. I'm just going to, woo! If we were to just base this just on the feel alone, this Joah Beauty package is actually really doing the trick. And I haven't even felt super cakey yet, so that's awesome. And I just put on so many layers of foundation and concealer, as you guys just saw, and I just put on so much setting powder, and I still don't feel cakey. Otherwise, I always feel like I can't move my face. So now I will be using this Be My Everything Powder Contour Palette, and it is in the color JPC02. So it has a highlight and a bronze and a contour. And it actually comes with a brush inside. I like it. It's a cute little brush. Let's give it a try. Whoa, that is really, really... I'm gonna have to blend that. Wow, I've never seen that powder. Maybe it's the brush, you know, the way the brushes shift, but this contour is very strong. So the same situation with the concealer, which is that you don't need a lot. So obviously I'm gonna have to blend this out because it's very, very strong. So I actually always contour my jaw because in photos, and I don't know if that happens in real life as well, I have no idea. I always feel like my jaw is like very weak in shape, so this product could probably last you like such a long time, honestly. And it's so strong. Sometimes I don't even need to blend out my contour, but in this situation, I gotta. So I would rate its blendability out of 10 at like a 6. So like I said, be super careful when you're putting it on, otherwise you might have to add more concealer or a little bit more foundation to correct the extra pigment in there. It definitely did blend out. So that being said, they did also send me this other Be My Everything Blush and Bronze Palette. Wow, it's actually ombre. That's really cool. I didn't see that until I showed the camera. So I'm not a very frequent user of blush, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to dabble in it a little bit. This is the eyeshadow, and it is a palette called Birthday Suit, so I'm excited. It does seem to be all nude. Ooh, okay. Some very nice basic colors. They're all shimmery colors. I really like that. I do not like using mattes. I'm gonna go in with this color here. It is called Pleased, because I am pleased. I'm covering my whole lid with this color. Wow. Okay, so a reoccurring theme in this Joah Beauty set, it is actually very, very pigmented. I'm just gonna go in with this one. It's called Upbeat. And I'm just going to kind of line my under eye with this one. It's called Evil. I think that's really peachy. And I'm going to brighten the inner corner with this color named Whipped Cream. They actually sent 2 different brow products. So this one is called Brow Down to Me Precision Brow Pencil. I'm going to use the Precision Pencil because my eyebrows are really jagged. So this is very skinny. I like it. I've actually never used a precision brow pencil before, but I think now that I've done it, I don't think I can go back to using the really, really thick ones because this precision is actually very, very solid. Like, it's really accurate. Ooh, so next I'm going to be using this mascara. I already said this, but I literally love the packaging. I love the purple and pink and blue combination, and they have this beautiful light mint green color in there as well. I think it's gorgeous, and I think it's very eye-catching. So this is Ice Cream, very funny. Eye Scream, get it? Ooh, that is black. So this mascara actually, in my opinion, definitely goes towards the natural looking style, which is totally fine. I usually prefer a little bit more dramatic eyelashes, just because my eyelashes, I don't wear extensions or anything like that on a daily basis, so I usually need a little bit more. I am actually going back into the Be My Everything Powder Contour Palette, and I am going to be using their highlighter now with my little fan brush. Oh, it is a little brownish, but it's not that bad. I'm actually going to be using What a matte liquid lipstick in the color Dragon Punch. That's fun. So I usually use Kylie Cosmetics, but I'm excited to see how this one stacks up against those. I usually put on lip liner first, but for the purpose of this video, they didn't send me a lip liner, or maybe they don't have one in their collection. So here we go. Wow, this thing smells like what a Dragon Punch would smell like. Right off the bat, if I were to compare this matte lipstick with anything else that I've ever used, it's very similar to Tarte. Tarte matte lips actually have a very similar, almost like creamy feel, and it doesn't like dry right away like the Kylie Cosmetics do. So this is the completed face, this is the completed look using only Joah Beauty Cosmetics. It worked out really well, and I might not even take these off because this is a look. Dang. Super happy with what the outcome was. So there's a couple of things. I mentioned I have very, very bad eczema. In fact, usually my lip here, I call it my mustache rash because that's pretty much the #1 spot that my eczema reoccurs all the time despite using Eucrisa and Epiduo and hydrocortisone and you name it. So I have to say, I am not lying. You can go ahead and stare at my mustache rash and see for yourself. I put on 3 different layers of, bases. I put on an actual BB cream, and then I put on a concealer, and then I put on a cushion foundation, and then I put on setting powder and contour and all of that. And this skin has not cracked or flaked yet the way my eczema always does when I use other products. What I like most about Joah Beauty products is that A, they are super, super, super affordable compared to other products like Fenty and Huda Beauty. No shade, but you guys did make the mustache rash act up, and shockingly, Joah Beauty did not make my mustache rash come out or get worse. So this looks really good. This looks exactly like a Huda Beauty or a Tarte look would have looked like. So yes, there you have it. Thank you so much to Joah Beauty for this wonderful collaboration. Thank you guys for sending this PR box and being so patient as I uploaded my videos. I'm not trying to kiss up to them. I'm just being very honest with you that they did not trigger my eczema. It feels very soft and creamy, and I don't feel cakey, and that's generally what you want out of makeup. So thank you again, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my 1-minute makeup challenge using nothing else but Joah Beauty products. See you guys next time. Bye.